Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best clipper for haircut is probably one of the most important tools for any professional barber or hairstylist, impacting not only the quality of your work but also your overall efficiency and client satisfaction. Choosing the right clipper involves careful consideration of various factors such as blade quality, motor power, ergonomic design, and additional features that can significantly enhance your work experience and the final look you achieve for your clients. Number 5. Remington Shortcut Pro. It offers 9 different length combs, ensuring you achieve the perfect hair and beard grooming. From short to long, it gives you total control over your style. Enjoy 40 minutes of cordless use on a single charge. A quick 5-minute charge will give you a boost when you're short on time. The extra-wide curved blade ensures a smooth, precise trim, following the contours of your head and face. Regular cleaning and oiling will keep it running smoothly. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a clipper, multiple combs, a cleaning brush, a storage pouch, and more. It's perfect for travel. It's 100% washable and completely cordless, giving you the freedom to groom anywhere. Plus, it comes with a 5-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It's waterproof and cordless, perfect for showering or traveling. With 9 different length combs, you can achieve any style you desire. If you value convenience and versatility, this is the clipper for you. What people say. It came charged right out of the box, but I went ahead and plugged it in and in 30 minutes it was at full charge. My hair was already short, so I clipped on the 3mm, about 1/8 inch, comb and went to work. It took about 5 minutes to do the job. It's close enough that it satisfies me and no one will ever give my head a second glance. Much better than my beard trimmer, of course, and much quicker and easier. When ordering, I thought the odd shape of this clipper would make it awkward to hold in my hand, but that's not the case. It's light, smaller than you would think, and easy to grip. I had no problem guiding it around my head to get an even cut. It came with a small case for the clippers as well as a small brush to clean the clippers, oil, a charger, and 9 different combs to attach to the clippers. It included a little chart comparing combs to barber grades, equivalent cutting length. It even tells you how to do around your ears and neck. Number 4. AMULISS Professional Hair Clipper. It features a powerful motor and sharp blades for a quick, snag-free cut. The included guide combs let you trim your hair to precisely 1mm, 2mm, or 3mm. This cordless clipper boasts a long-lasting battery, providing up to 180 minutes of use on a single 2-hour charge. It's USB rechargeable for ultimate flexibility. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. The stainless steel suspension bracket and protective case keep it looking great and the blades protected. Lightweight and perfectly sized, it's comfortable to hold for extended periods. The one-button design makes it easy for anyone to use, from beginners to professionals. It's powerful yet quiet, providing a smooth, efficient cut with minimal noise. Perfect for home use or travel. What we like. Enjoy over 180 minutes of cordless use with its long-lasting battery and convenient LED display. It's also remarkably quiet, making it ideal for home use. If you need a powerful yet quiet clipper with a long runtime, this is the one for you. What people say. The hair trimmer works great for my husband. The size is perfect for a full-body trimmer. I have used a peanut for my grooming needs for about 8 years and needed to replace the head on it when I came across this cordless groomer shaver and decided to try it. I have a very thick beard and buzz my head too. It shaves smoother and closer than my peanut. It's much easier to handle and maneuver primarily because of its longer handle. I only had to run it across once, even at harder to reach areas. It leaves my head and face very smooth and hardly any stubble. I've only had these clippers for a short time. That being said, they seem to work just like they are supposed to, very close cut, which is the reason I purchased them. They seem very sturdy built, and I love the rechargeable battery, with the battery level display. It is very quiet, compared to my other clippers. The battery life so far seems pretty good. Number 3. Wahl 79722 Home Haircut Kit. Get ready for salon-quality haircuts at home with the Wahl 79722 Home Haircut Kit. It's powerful, easy to use, and comes with everything you need for a perfect cut. This clipper boasts a powerful motor that cuts through any hair type without snagging. Experience smooth, even cuts every time. Say goodbye to dull blades. It features self-sharpening precision ground blades, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and effortless cutting. Achieve professional-looking fades and blends with ease thanks to the adjustable taper lever. It gives you complete control over your haircut. The color-coded guards make choosing the right length a breeze. Remember your favorite settings and achieve consistent results. Everything you need is included: scissors, comb, oil, cleaning brush, storage case, and 12 attachment guards. You're all set for any haircut. For nearly a century, Wahl has been the trusted choice of professionals. Now, you can experience that same quality at home. What we like. Its self-sharpening blades ensure long-lasting sharpness and the adjustable taper lever allows for precise blending. The color-coded guards make choosing the right length a breeze. If you are looking for professional quality results at home, this is the perfect choice. Number 2. Oster Classic 76 Hair Clippers. These professional clippers are designed for heavy-duty use, making them perfect for barbers and stylists. Its powerful motor easily cuts through wet or dry hair. It features a powerful single-speed universal motor that ensures smooth and efficient cutting every time. Experience the difference of a truly professional tool. The detachable blades, including sizes number 000 and number 1, allow for precise cutting and fading. They're easy to change and maintain. With its ultra-durable, ergonomic design and textured housing, it provides a comfortable grip, even during extended use. You'll appreciate the ease and comfort. This set includes everything you need: a blade guard, lubricating oil, cleaning brush, and blade grease. It's ready to use right out of the box. Simply remove hair and apply blade lube after each use to keep it in top condition. Proper maintenance ensures long-lasting performance. They're ideal for cutting and fading all types of hair, providing consistent results. It's a versatile tool for any professional. The 9-foot power cord offers ample reach, allowing for comfortable movement during use. No more struggling with short cords. What we like. This clipper boasts a powerful motor built for heavy-duty use and features a detachable blade for easy cleaning. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling. If you need a durable, professional-grade clipper for all-day use, this is the one. What people say. The Oster Classic 76 clipper gave me a far better haircut on the first time that I ever got while using the Wahl kit. I didn't notice any of the longer hairs that seemed to get missed with my Wahl razor. In addition, the cowlick that I have on the front of my head that seemed to not get cut well previously cut nicely just like every other portion of my hair with this razor. The Oster Professional Classic 76 hair clippers are an industry staple for barbers and stylists. Known for their durability and powerful performance, these clippers are designed to handle heavy-duty use while delivering precise cuts with ease. Pure metal blades, none of this cheap plastic guides for grooming or cutting. Very sturdy, durable, honestly not really all that loud. This cuts well and no pulling. Doesn't leave a bunch of long hairs behind its path. Been told these do not break down, they last 20 to 30 years from everyday use. Number 1. Hatteker Hair Clipper. This set includes a professional hair clipper and detail trimmer, perfect for home use or travel. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to get a great haircut. It features a powerful motor built to last, suitable for everyone from home users to professional stylists. Enjoy superior performance for years to come. Easily customize your cut with the adjustable taper lever and multiple guide combs. Achieve the exact length and style you desire with ease. The clipper is completely washable for wet and dry use, making cleaning a breeze. The LED display shows battery life, ensuring you're always prepared. It boasts sharp, high-carbon steel blades for a smooth cut without pulling. Enjoy cordless convenience with long-lasting battery life, up to 300 minutes on a single charge for the main clipper and 180 minutes for the trimmer. What we like. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need for a professional haircut at home. The powerful motor and adjustable length settings provide versatility for various hairstyles. If you want a complete kit with multiple options, this is the best choice for you. What people say. The clipper's IPX7 waterproof feature allows for easy cleaning and makes it convenient to use even in the shower. The sharp blades provide precise cutting, resulting in a clean and neat haircut every time. The battery life is impressive, allowing multiple uses on a single charge. Great results. Great battery life. Easy to maintain. Used regularly for 2 years and still feels new. Quality product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.